Can you guys see that? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ariana, and today, before we get started, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're subscribed to my channel. And with that being said, let's move on. So today I'm really excited because I finally got my hands on the Juvia's Place foundation, concealer, and also the setting powders. Yes, girl. So these products just actually came to me in the mail. I ordered them last week and it took about a week for them to come. This is the packaging that they came in. Well, actually the I Am Magic foundation, I got that from Ulta because I wasn't too sure about my color online. It said that I think the color Nefertiti or something. Well, I don't even know what, I don't remember. But anyways, then I went into the store and tried to color match myself to see what would best fit me. So I actually ended up going with Ethiopia, which is the color 400. And I believe this is for tan to medium skin tones, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Anyways, this is 1.0 fluid ounce, but it comes in, I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen these products. It's a small little tube, and that retails for 20 bucks. Next, I have the I Am Magic concealer. The I Am Magic concealer, it looks just like the packaging on the foundation, and this is 3.4 fluid ounce. It comes in this little packaging right here, and I got the color 14. So I didn't get a darker color because I like to contour with bronzer, not necessarily, I don't like necessarily contouring with like another darker concealer. I don't know why. I just don't like it. And lastly, I have the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder. Now, when I got this, I was kind of actually surprised that it was this small. This is like the size of their highlighter, because I did buy a highlighter from them and that was the same size. So this is actually this was actually so much smaller than I expected it to be. This is like a travel size of like a Laura Mercier. You know how they have the big setting powder from Laura Mercier, Sacha Buttercup. Setting powders are way bigger, but they also do cost more. And this, I think, was, I don't remember how much this was. It was like 12 or 14 bucks. And this is what this looked like. It has very pretty, I love this gold and this hot pink. It's so pretty. And this looks similar to like a banana powder, the Sacha Buttercup powder. And this is in the color Kalahari. Kalahari. So anyways, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes really quickly first, and then I'll come right back. Alright guys, so I already did this eye, something like really simple, not too much, because I really want the focus to be on my face. So I'm just going to go over what exactly I have been doing. I did with this eye. So I went into the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. And I went ahead and I jumped into Jamila, which is like this burnt orangey color. So I dabbed into that a little bit, and I'm using the Morphe E17 brush, and then basically I'm just like patting that color in there. Like, I did prime my eyes with the P. Louise base. Alright, now I'm going to go in and blend it with, you can use any blending brush. The brush that I have is the E27 brush from Morphe. Next, I'm actually going to jump into my Morphe, the 350 palette, Saharan palette. It doesn't really have, it's a very bright palette, but it doesn't really have any browns or anything in it, like a dark brown. It has like this tan in it, and it has black, but in my crease, I want to use like a dark brown color. So I'm going to be taking this palette, and then I'm going to be going in with this color right here, which is Yummy. And then I'm going to be taking this pointer brush from Morphe. It's the Morphe M39 brush into my crease with this color. And it's okay to beat it a little bit everywhere. Alright, so this is what we have so far on this eye. P. Louise base. I'm just going to tap that all over my lid. Nothing special. I ain't doing no cut crease or nothing today. So now I have another concealer brush here. And then I'm going to go into the color Lulu. which is this color right here, Lulu. Lulu. It's like a rose gold kind of color. It's very pretty. Love that color. And then I'm gonna take Zoya, which is this color right here, with the same concealer brush. And then I'm gonna just dip my brush in there. Just dip this right here. Ooh. I'm gonna take this like a small blender brush, which is the E18 brush from Morphe, and then I'm actually gonna go into Chad, which is this black color right here, and then just really get in there. So I'm gonna go back in with Lulu and Zoya. Just gonna blend everything together. So I have my Jamelia. So I'm gonna put some lashes on and some mascara, and I'll be back in there. I gotta get started on the face, guys. All right, guys. So I am back. I said I'm back. And I am all done with the eyes. I just did something nice and simple on the eyes. And now I'm excited because we're gonna get started on the face. And I've already primed my face. I've already moisturized and primed my face. So I've already done all of that. So let's get into this about Jay. Alright, so I got my beauty blender, the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And we're gonna get into the foundation. I've been seeing a lot of good things, a lot of bad. Well, I haven't really seen any bad things about it. I haven't seen anything really that bad about it other than it gets cakey and it does oxidize. And I was advised that it's probably best to use a sponge rather than a brush so that you can distribute the product properly. I really don't know if I should though. Maybe I'll just go in with my fingers first. So I'm gonna take like, this is like what that color looks like, Ethiopia. So this is only just like one pump, so I'm gonna just put it everywhere. Hopefully it doesn't dry down too quick, because it does say that it's velvety matte. So maybe, you know. So far.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I mean, just for like one pump, this is giving some pretty decent coverage. Pretty good coverage, you guys. So I'm gonna go in with one more pump, you guys. And it doesn't dry down too quick either. Like I still, even though it's matte, it dries down matte, but it doesn't make me feel like I'm gonna rush it in time to like blend it out. I don't think it looks cakey at all. Some people did say that it looked kind of cakey, but I don't feel that way about it. So next I'm gonna be taking the Juvia's Place Concealer, and this is in the color 14. So I'm gonna go in and blend it with the same beauty blender. You definitely don't want to go heavy-handed with the concealer because it is really thick and you don't want to be looking all cakey, sis. It's really easy to blend. I didn't feel like I had to take 54 gazillion hours. You know how some concealers like they take forever to blend. It really blended pretty good. And don't mind my brush, you guys. I just used it the other day, you know? And it's white. I don't know why Huda Beauty decides to come out with white brushes. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the color medium to contour today. It doesn't seem like it's picking up or getting patchy or anything. So that's good. Blending my nose contour out. I wish these brushes, these wands are kind of thick. I wish they were a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to be moving on to the setting powders. The setting powder, I don't know why I said powders. And I'm having the Morphe setting spray, so I'm going to spray my beauty blender. Mist it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place setting powder, and it's in the color Kalahari. Gonna tap a little bit of that into my lid here and apply. So this is very similar to like banana powder. It's like the same color. So actually this looks a little bit finer. Yeah, this has a finer consistency than like banana powder. Very fine. I like it. So everywhere that I bake, I'm gonna spray my beauty blender again. It does look a little bit ashy, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait till it's that skin. But it does look a little bit ashy. I don't know what it's doing right here, the setting powder. Can you guys see that? It's like it's picking up. I don't know what's going on right here. Can you see that? I'm gonna go over it with a little bit more powder because I don't know. It feels like, it seems like it picked some of the product was picking up. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over my tan tour with with the bronzer from Fenty Beauty. Alright guys, so next thing I'm gonna do is I have the Royalty 2 the loose highlighter. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I did pour some of it into this the top of it, and then I'm going to be using my Morphe M433 brush to go ahead and distribute that product right above here. Oh, ooh, girl, that is really pigmented. Whoop! Beauty blender and tone it down a little bit because it's just like gleaming. You feel me? Here. I'm gonna put some below my lash line. Next thing I'm gonna do is I have the Fenty Pro Filter, the powder, the setting powder that she has. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this off of the cap, and this is in the color Nutmeg. I'm gonna take my Morphe MB1 brush, which is this really nice fluffy brush. I'm just gonna get it in there. Get it in there. So I'm gonna go over. Line my lips with the NYX. I believe this is the color medium brown. And then I'm gonna take this lip paint from Tarte. It's in the color Double Tap. I'm obsessed with these like lip paint. It's like a gloss, but it's like, it's very pigmented, like a very pigmented gloss. It's a paint. Alright guys, and I almost forgot to put blush on. How ghetto with me. So I'm actually going to take this e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I'm going to go in with the one of my favorite big powdered brush from Milani. It's called Bella Rosa. I'm going to go in there and take a little bit, like, I'm going to go ahead and mist my face. This is a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, so I'm going to mist my face to have everything seeping. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my final result, and I really like it. I feel like it still looks natural, but it has like a heavy kind of like coverage, and I liked it. The setting powder, it did look like it was a little bit like ashy, I want to say, but after it set a little bit, I feel like it looks fine. I feel like it looks okay. The only thing that was pretty weird about the setting powder, I don't know, I just feel like it didn't, it just feels like it, there was something weird going on with setting powder, and I don't know what it was, but I feel like my makeup looks okay. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like the foundation is really good coverage, but it still has a natural finish to it. And I like it. The concealer had a really good coverage. The setting powder, it did something weird earlier. Like, I don't know, I feel like it was picking up product or something, or maybe it just wasn't covering up. I don't know. But now that it's set, it looks okay. It looks fine. I think it looks good. And I'm obsessed with Juvia's Place highlighter. That's the first time I've ever tried their highlighter. Like, obsessed with it. And I feel like I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay?